Guys, have you missed me? Because I've missed you. Like, for real, for real. I've been gone so long, honestly. I don't even know how to make intros anymore, so I'm not even gonna try. I have been trying to make this intro for so long now. Alright, I've just been gone for a really long time. I lost myself, I'm finding myself, new house, new car, new job, graduated school, whatever, who cares. That's another video. I bought 580 something, no, oh my gosh, no. $480 something because that's any better of clothes from Fashion Nova, and I thought it would be helpful to do a review like this because I'm 97 pounds, 5'5", I have no boobs, I have no butt, I have no hips, and I really like their clothes. So if any of you have shopped on Fashion Nova, you know that it's mainly for girls who have all of those things. It's very unrealistic in my opinion. And if you want to see this video, keep on watching. Alright, so this is the Always Good Vibes tee. I got this in an extra small, and it was $19.99. So I'm giving you the full price, but they usually have codes where you can get 30% off of your whole order. So just keep that in mind, that they always have good deals. So this shirt is really big, honestly, for an extra small, but I usually tie it up like this. Otherwise, it just looks like a regular t-shirt. But like this, it's pretty cute. I wore this with jeans, shorts, and sneakers, and then, you know, if you do your makeup really nice, it doesn't really matter what you're wearing. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. If you notice, like, I will dance when I try on everything. Next. Alright, this one is the Come Together front top, or front tie top, sorry. It was $14.98 and I got this in an extra small. I started dancing early with this one because I actually really like it. So this looks cute when it's bunched up like 3/4 of the way. It doesn't look good on me personally when it's long sleeved. As you'll see, one of the sleeves is just gonna fall down because it's kind of loose, so you might want to like roll it up on the sleeves if you want. Yeah, the neckline's pretty cute. Everybody hates these stupid things. I usually end up taking them off. Like, I'll pull them off if I'm drunk enough. I'll just pull them off my shirt, but you might not want to do that. I like that one. This one's pretty cute. Here we go. All right. Get it together, girlfriend. Get out of here. I'm sick of you. Cabbage Patch. Oh my gosh. Bye. Okay, so this one I showed you guys me actually doing the buttons because I think it's funny that you put it on this way. Like when I bought it, I was under the intention that it was kind of like sewn on like that. Like you wouldn't actually have to take off the buttons because I don't know why you do. I wore this somewhere before, and when I like put my arms out the wrong way, or like I stretched my arms, the buttons came loose, and I wasn't aware of it because you can't feel it. Like, and unless you look down, you're not gonna see it. So yeah, you would wear this with one of those sticky bras that don't have straps. I don't know why I tried it on with a bra that did, probably because I'm lazy. And there's the stretching thing that I did, but for some reason the buttons didn't come off that time. But yeah, this one's a perfect length for girls like me who have like a longer torso. And the shorts that I'm wearing right now are actually pulled up to my stomach, so it doesn't look like I have a very long torso. And the sleeves are really long, which I love. So if you like long sleeves, I would get this. They also have it in black too. I think I'm going to buy it in black because I really, really like it. Alright, relax, okay? Okay, bye. This is the Anything But Square bodysuit. This one I got in an extra small, and it's $19.99. I love that shape, that little square shape. I mean, I don't have any boobs. Let's try and make it look like I have some boobs. Nope, that didn't really work. So, anyways, that was pointless. So anyways, this is one of those things that looks like a bathing suit. It like clips at the crotch. I don't really care for that. I would have rather this be a crop top like the last one. but I think it's cute. I love that the sleeves are long because, like I said, I love long sleeves no matter what. Yeah, you can pull them up or pull them down more, I guess, but I love this one. Really basic. Everyone needs a basic black or white shirt. Bye. Okay. This one is so cute. So I love this one. This is the Gemma. It's Gemma long sleeve top. It was $17.99 and I think it's so cute. I'm not really a girly girl, but something about this level of girliness I really enjoy. I like that the shoulders are like sharp. I don't know how to explain it. It looks like they're shoulder pads, but they're not. And I like the extraness right here that I'm trying to show you at the sleeve. It's like bunched up, but then it's poofy. I don't know. I love this, and I love the length of this one. This is honestly really, really cute, and you can wear this shirt with anything. Like I said, I'm trying to build basics. Okay, let's talk about this dress. This is the Anissa asymmetrical dress. I got it in an extra small, and it's $19.98. It makes my booty look really nice because I don't have a booty. But I like how the shoulder is showing, like one shoulder is showing, and there's a button in the back of my neck that I couldn't show you, but it's one of the annoying ones that you have to put the loop around. This stops at your wrist. It doesn't go past it, so like it's whatever. It's not exciting or anything. The only thing about this dress is you cannot wear it like if you're gonna dance. Right, yeah, I know, because your vagina will show. So I haven't actually gotten to wear this dress yet. I just kind of have it. Yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna show you it, like how long it is. So this is how long it is. I don't know. I would really like this dress if it wasn't so short. Oh, this is a bathing suit. I got this for my birthday, but I don't have the boobs for it. So this is the birthday suit. It's $34.99 and I got it in a small, but I don't know, it's just I don't have the boobs for it, and there's my stretch marks for the whole world to see. There you go, guys. You're welcome for that. It's not gonna work out. Yeah, I know. Oh, this one is the Field of Goals floral romper. It's $19.99 and it's a size small because they didn't have an extra small. I think it's really cute. Like I said, I'm not a girly girl, but anything that's black. What are you doing? Why are you doing that? It doesn't really show like if you have a butt, but it's one of those things that is really, really cute when it's loose. I like it. I love the sleeves. Oh my gosh, why are you always dancing? What? Anyways, you can pull it off your shoulder, like either shoulder or both shoulders, and it still looks pretty cute. This will look good with one of those beach hats. Okay, relax. Get out of here. Bye-bye. Oh my god. So I showed you this on purpose, you guys, and I just realized that that the little waist strap thing is at the top there. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I actually hurt my arm trying to pull this zipper up, and you will see it's impossible. So I'm not sure if it's a defect of just my romper alone or if it's all of these style rompers. But this is the Hyped On striped jumpsuit. I got it in an extra small. It's $40, $39.99. It's really cute, but I've been having this problem with the zipper since I got it, and so I don't really know if it's worth it to get. I'm really trying hard for you guys, but I'm telling you, I didn't end up getting it. I just left it like that. Finally, yeah. No, wait. Okay, this one's really cute. If you can get someone to try and zip up the back for you. I didn't have anyone to zip up the back for me, but yeah. And then it's flare pants too, which I really like because I have really scrawny legs. So this is probably my favorite jumpsuit. It is the, which one is this? This is the City of Lights jumpsuit. It's super cute. I like it. It makes me look like I have a butt. Relax. Oh my gosh. So this is actually ribbed. It's not just basic, and it's pretty thick. It comes all the way down to your ankle. I like it. I've worn it before out, and I got a lot of compliments. So I would get it. And this one was $32.99. Sorry. Okay, right. I don't know. What is wrong with me? Which one is this? Oh, this is the corner of their eye jumpsuit. This one's $29.99, and I got this in an extra small. The only problem with this was that it's hard to find the right bra to wear with it, and unless you have like no boobs and a big, not a big waist, but like big hips, I don't know how you'll make it work. It's alright though. I mean, it's just the boob part that's the problem, because your bra will literally always show. So, unless you're one of those girls that just doesn't wear bras, then yeah. Oh, these are just the regular biker shorts. These are, how much were these? These are the classic mini biker shorts in an extra small. These were $14.99, but I would honestly get them. Oh my god, stop. They're super cute. You can wear them with anything, honestly, and they just look good. I wouldn't wear them to the gym, though. These are the Got It From My Mama jeans. On the website, the girl, like, it fits her a lot better, but me, they're a lot loose. I honestly didn't like them at first, but I've grown to really like them. I think they're, like, really cool. Like, they fit your waist perfectly, and then they're just loose everywhere else. These were $44.99, and I got them in a size 0. So I really like these. I would get them if I were you. They're super, super cute. They're like cool girl jeans. Like, you feel super cool when you wear them. That was my cool girl pose. Okay, these are the Canopy jeans in a size 0. These were $32.99. Okay, here I'm gonna do the thing with my butt. Okay, so I do this thing with my butt. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I always do that to kind of like give myself a crease at the bottom. It looks so stupid on camera, but that's what I do when I try on jeans. And I feel like it makes my jeans look a lot better. They have a subtle slit in the knees there that I really like. I hope I don't dance. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, forget about that then. But they're really cute. Actually, the next 3 pairs are just jeans alone. Oh my god, get it together. Ooh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Excuse her. Bye-bye. And these are glistening jeans. These are in a medium. They're not in a medium. Like, the color is medium, but they're a size 0. These were $34.99, and these are probably my favorite jeans right now, just because I can wear it with any shirt ever, and it looks really good. I'm gonna do the butt thing again. I'm so sorry in advance, because they look fine right now. I don't know why I do the butt thing. Oh my gosh. I actually made it look worse now that I'm watching myself do it. I'm gonna stop doing that. But yeah, these are really cute, and all of the glistening jeans, because I'm gonna try on 2 more for you guys. They're really, really long, so if you're tall, you don't have to worry about that. Because look at how they're bunched up at my ankle. I always have to pull them over my heel when I put them on. These are the same glistening jeans, but in the color black. So the first pair were $34.99. These are actually $39.99. I'm not sure why it's extra. Maybe I forgot to apply the discount code or something. But these are another favorite of mine, because I can wear them with anything. So these jeans I got 3 colors. I got the medium wash blue jeans, I got these black ones, and then the next pair are the white ones. I probably didn't have to try them all on for you, but I thought, Yes, I did. Okay, so these are the white ones. I got these in a size 0, $34.99 again. Oh my god, I really have to stop doing that. That looks so crazy. Okay, so these ones are a little less flattering in my opinion. The black ones look really, really good on me. The blue ones I think look good on me, but the white ones accentuate my rectangle SpongeBob shape, I think. But it also looks really good on my skin color. So keep that in mind. If you don't like the rips or whatever, they have lots of other jeans on the website that don't have rips, but the quality of the jeans are really good. Hope you guys enjoyed that try on. It was a little difficult to film, that's why I moved the camera around a little bit. Still trying to figure it out. If you're wondering about these sunglasses, these are the only things that I didn't try on in the video. They're called the Sahara, I wrote it down. They're called the Sahara round sunglasses and they're 10 bucks. I don't own any sunglasses, so I bought these. I think they're really, really cute. I hope that you really liked the video. The try-on haul, I tried something new with the voiceover. I've never done a voiceover before, so I'm super awkward and it's probably not well timed, but as long as you get the general idea of what I thought about the outfits, and I'm so sorry that I tried to dance in outfits, but when I try on clothes in real life, like without being recorded, I always dance in the mirror with them. I don't know if I'm the only one who does that, but that's a thing that I do. So yeah, if it's annoying, like I think it's annoying, comment below, let me know if it's annoying. I like sharing my opinions with you guys, and I hope that you guys will share your opinions with me as well. Maybe even buy some of the outfits because it will look good on you because you think it looks good on me, or you will avoid some of them because they don't look good on me. I don't know. I am very happy that I'm back now, and if you have any ideas for more videos, things that you would like to see, websites that you would like me to shop on, you know, let me know. I'll try it out. I'm down. Anyways, I have been trying to figure out how I'm supposed to end this video for so long. There's gonna be so much I have to cut out, but let me know if you like the video. I really, really hope you do. Hopefully I'll see you soon in another video, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end. If you made it here, you're a real OG.